Hello friends and family from the Premium Outlets here on International Drive. Today we're going to be checking out the Disney Character Warehouse on iDrive here. We're going to check out, see what type of new merchandise they have, because we're always on the hunt for some really good Disney Parks deals. And hopefully we can run into some new Spirit jerseys, pins, toys, who knows what we'll find. But before we get started, if you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you're aware of future uploads and live streams, we would really appreciate it. I'll tell you guys, right now the weather that we're having here in October, it is just amazing. It makes me so happy, even more so that we made the move here from Scranton, Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania to the Orlando area, but like normally we would get some colder weather, like dipping down pretty low right now. Right now we're in the low 80s and just the humidity levels really starting to drop. And here's just a peek of how busy it is here actually. So right over here, I had to park in the lot behind the parking lot. This whole section right here is valet parking. Then over here is completely packed. So I had to park well over here across the street. So we're like way back here. It's gonna be busy, but it's great to see just things open and alive here in the Orlando area. Whenever I come to either Character Warehouse, either this one on International Drive or the other one over on Vineland, I'm always on the hunt for a really nice Spirit jersey. And it seems like every time we come, I shouldn't say every time, but like when we get lucky and get some really good deals on Spirit jerseys that we haven't seen in a Character Warehouse before, it's usually this one on International Drive. So if you like your Spirit jerseys, definitely check this one. Look at this view though, with the palm trees just lining both sides of the sidewalk right here. It kind of reminds me of when you go into studios over there at Universal Studios, how you have those really tall palm trees just welcoming you as you walk in. It really just takes your breath away. Living in Florida, like it's nice to see the plants and the flowers like so vibrant and alive, because like I said, back up north, like everything would usually start kind of dying off right now and the leaves would all start falling from the trees. Alright, we're making our way here to the Disney Character Warehouse here on International Drive. Always definitely take a moment to appreciate the windows here. Like they are so ornate and just beautiful. Look at the setup they have as soon as you walk in here. Look at these guys, $4.99 for these mini little cups here. Then right here they still have a bunch of the sequence Walt Disney World tote bags for $12.99. How beautiful is this dress right here? Bippity Boppity Boutique. That is so cool. They have some Minnie Mouse red pen cases here, all sequins for $12.99. Look how shiny they are. Also, living my dream. I definitely hear you there. This is a little girl shirt for $14.99, originally $24.99. Look at these, they have some Speedo Disney Parks water shoes for little boys for $12.99. Then they have surfing vibes right here for Castaway Key. Oh, these are long sleeve shirts. These are amazing. I love these. And these are $12.99, originally $29.99. They have some Disney Star Wars Lando Calrissian plushies right here for $14.99. Well, hello there. For $14.99 they have the World of Pixar Walt Disney World t-shirts, originally $19.99. And they still have the World of Pixar full zip hoodies here for $29.99. But I really love like the hood of them with the Pixar ball and whatnot. That's a lot of fun. I haven't seen these before, these little girl tank tops right here for Castaway Key. They actually have Mickey Mouse right there. These are only $9.99. Then they also have this one for Castaway Key, To the Beach. This one here is $11.99, originally $19.99. For $24.99, they have a good selection of both of the Baby Yoda Spirit jerseys right here. You got the green one and kind of like this tan one right here. I think I like this one better actually. That one's really cool. Look at this one with Olaf for Castaway Cay Bahamas, $11.99, originally $19.99. This one here is Disney Cruise Line as well. I love this one. Love it. Give me some space. $9.99. A youth shirt for originally $24.99. Look at this one. Kaboom. And I, of course, love me some Disney snacks. This shirt here is awesome. Luke actually has this one. This one is $9.99, originally $24.99. Then we have I Believe in Magic, Walt Disney World, $9.99. For $24.99, we have some Star Wars Darth Vader Crocs right here, originally $39.99. Oh, look at this. Then we have some Star Wars Finn plushies for $7.99. For $14.99, they have this Boba Fett t-shirt, but I really love this long sleeve, like retro Star Wars with the Millennium Falcon long sleeve right here for $19.99. Best Day Ever women's tee right here, $24.99, originally $36.99. Then we have Stay All Day right here with the castle underneath for $24.99, originally $36.99. Then Birds of a Feather, Birds of a Feather for $19.99. Then we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. They're all Disney days. Look at that with all the castles. Ringer tee right here for $12.99. It looks like they have all the same Spirit jerseys like they have over at the Character Warehouse on Vineland. These are all $44.99. We have the ink and paint, the same Disneyland Resort ones that we've seen in the past. But these are all $44.99. For $29.99, check out this women's Stitch hoodie that they have here. It's actually fuzzy, originally $64.99. Check out this tee right here, Maleficent, Now Shall You Deal With Me for $11.99. This is a women's tank top. And then they also have another women's tank top right here, Make It Pink, Make It Blue for $19.99. For $29.99, they have this long sleeve sequence embroidered women's sweatshirt. That's amazing. Originally $54.99. Then they have the Disney Cruise Line since 1998, $26.99. Originally $54.99. But I also love this one right here, Discover Castaway Cay. This one here is $14.99, originally $29.95. For $3.99, they have the Disney Parks Pocahontas pins, also for $3.99. We have some Droid Depot pins and Black Spire Outpost. These are just amazing deals, all the way down to Loyalty, Chewbacca. And look at this one, the Resistance Fighter, for $3.99. For $4.99, they have the Live in the Island Life pin for Disney Parks. I have never seen this one before. I really love that. Then they have Happy Holidays 2020 Disney's Grand Floridian. That's funny, that's where I work. I love this. For $4.99. Originally $17.99. What do we have here? Assorted Disney pins, $5.99. We have Disney's Vacation Club Moonlight Magic 2020, I Conquered Rock and Roller Coaster. Then we have 2020 Disney Cruise Line. There are so many here. Look at all of these. Look at this, Join for $5.99. They have a bunch of 2020 Alaska pins. And then 2020 Epcot Food and Wine Festival 25th anniversary for $5.99. Looks like they now sell candy bars here as well. You can get your Twix bar for $2.29. How does that work? M&M's for only 99 cents. Disney Star Wars Cinnamon Mints. Look at that. Okay, for $4.99. And they have the Millennium Falcon. Now that makes more sense. And Disney Goofy Peppermints for $4.99. They have some of those Disney crossbody bags right here with kind of that retro Walt Disney World for $12.99. They have some women's tank top, Walt Disney World 1971. That's crazy, guys. 50 years. This one here is $19.99. Originally $34.99. Then they kind of have a ringer tee with that same design right here, $19.99. Originally $36.99. So pick your preference. Sport 1971 Walt Disney World. Check out this men's section they have over here now for the NBA. Like, they have all kinds of stuff. The socks are $11.99. We have the Lakers, Utah Jazz. Look at these. The Rockets, 76ers, Clippers, Warriors, Stephen Curry, and Boston Celtics. We even have some soccer merchandise right here. Fly Emirates. This one here is originally $100. It's on sale for $40.99 actually. That's a really good discount that we have here. And Adidas Chevrolet Manchester United soccer as well. These are $36.99. Originally $90. And the NBA shorts are actually Nike. These are originally $80, marked down to $48.99. We have the Rockets and the Nets. Looks like there's another one. We have some 76ers and Celtics as well. I must say, I really love what they did with the character warehouse here on International Drive. If you've been here in the past, normally they have a bunch of the, just the round, I don't know what to call them, but like containers, if you will, with all the t-shirts, like all around sporadic through there. And they kind of got rid of some of those, so it made it much more open, because this store here on International Drive is quite a bit smaller than the one on Vineland. So they made it more spacious for sure. They had a bunch of new pins that I've never seen before, so that's always exciting at some really, really good prices. If you like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, and as always, make today awesome.